Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be discussing on work problems on quadratic factors. I have already covered topics on work problems with linear factors and repeated linear factors. If you have not watched my video on repeated linear factors and linear factors, please do watch it. Then please do watch this episode, then it would be beneficial for you. So let's go directly start with the equations and expressions. Okay, now the first problem. Before going, let us take the equation for that. F of x by x minus x plus d into x square ax square plus bx plus c. So I am having a quadratic equation which cannot be factorizable. It can be only factorizable with imaginary terms or such. So when you get a problem like that, so you can make into partial fractions as a by x plus d plus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c. So always do remember these formula, then it will be very easy for you to break down this polynomial expression into partial fractions. So let's directly go and do our problems. Okay, so I'm like directly going and starting the first problem. So the first problem is 7x square plus 5x plus 13 by x square plus 2 x plus 1. So you can see that this is not directly factorizable. You have to use imaginary terms. So in this case, how you can write it as? You can write this as ax plus b by x square plus 2 plus c by x plus 1. Okay, now what you have to do? Cross multiply. So ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square plus 2, right? Now let's do the write the LHS of it, x square plus 5x plus 13. Why did I do that? Recollect that when you have to take the LCM because their denominators are of different value. To do algebraic addition, you can do only when their denominators are the same value, same as with numbers. Okay, so now you have this term, and here, as I said, first do the trial and error method. Put x equal to -1. So if I substitute -1, this complete term would get 0. Let me substitute here. 7 into -1, the whole square is 7. 5 into -1 is -5 plus 13, right? Here it becomes 0. So I don't have to do c into 1 square. -1 the whole square is 1. 1 3c. Okay. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 plus 13 15. 3c. So c's value is 5. 5. Right? And the next term, it would be right, see, you did with a trial and error, but when you take -2, it won't be 0. So you have to use other terms and you have to do simple equations. Better than that, it is easy that if you equate to their coefficients. For that, please simplify this formula. Ax into x is ax square and plus ax, again ax in ax square, ax plus b, ax square plus ax plus bx. Okay, then what? Bx plus b plus cx square plus 2c. So which is a value you already know? C, right? C's value you already know. So now you have to equate to, with c is coming over here, right? So equate to the x square coefficients, 7x square here, and which can be equated to ax square plus cx square, right? Is it right? So now you can write it as a plus c the whole square. Okay, and 7x square. So 7 is equal to a plus c. C is already known that it is 5. So what would be the value of a? A's value would be 2. I hope it's very much clear. And the next step, you have to find again the value of b. So let me take coefficients which come ax plus bx, right? Ax plus bx is equal to 5. Okay, so 5x. These coefficients of x, we can equate it together. Remember that it is the easiest method than doing with trial and error. If you use another values, suppose -2, -3, then you will have 2, 3 equations. Then again you have to use equations to find that. Better than that, you can use coefficients and directly find it. So I'm going to write it as a plus b is equal to 5. So a's value is already known, 2 plus b is equal to 5, and b's value is 3. I hope it was very much easy. And now let's write in the last form. So okay, so a's value is 2x. What is the value of b? 2x plus 3 by x square plus 2. And what is the value of c? 5 by x plus 1. So this is the answer for the problem number 1. And this is how you do quadratic factors into, so quadratic factors you change into partial fractions. Okay, so now I have made this polynomial expression into partial fractions. Okay, now let's do the next problem. Okay, what is the next problem? 3 plus 6x plus 4x square minus 2x cube by x square into x square plus 3. So see in this formula, there are two methods. There is a quadratic factor, also there is a repeated linear factor. So how you can write this as? You can write this as a by x plus b by x square plus cx plus d by x square plus 3. I hope it's clear. And also I can do this. Why I already did it? Because I didn't check it here. Here the highest value is 3, degree of numerator is 3, and here degree of denominator is 4. So it is already eligible to do the calculation. So recall that if you want to do partial fraction, there are two conditions. The first condition is that the denominator should be factorizable. The second condition is that denominator, degree of numerator should be less than the degree of denominator. So both these conditions are satisfied, and now I'm going to do the problem. Before that, to do this, you have to do cross calculation. So that the denominators are of the same value. Only then you can do algebraic additions. So ax into x square plus 3, right? Here what it would be? B into x square plus 3. What would be here? Cx plus d into x square, right? So the other side would be 3 plus 6x plus 4x square minus 2x. So if you are on my side, which number you would be using for trial and error? I would highly suggest to take x as 0, because if you take minus 3, it won't get cancelled. So the easiest method is that if you take x as 0, this term will get cancelled and this term will also get cancelled, right? So 3 plus 0 minus 4x, all these terms are, you can do, so 3. So here this get cancelled 0, and this also gets cancelled to 0. So only term left is 3b. So very nice, you got the value of b as 1. Easy, right? Now with the other factors, you can equate with coefficients and find the other factors. So before that, let us ax cube. Be very careful while doing. If you make a small mistake with positive or negative term, the entire answer would be false. So for that, try to do it slowly. And as I said, if you make any mistakes, cross multiply this, and if you get the same as the question, your answer is correct. Otherwise, try checking it again and do find your answers for A, B and C, right? Okay, so now I'm going to do again. Here simplified ax cube plus 3ax. Okay, bx square plus 3b again here cx cube plus dx square. Okay, which value you are already, b's value is already known. So take a value with b. So you can take the other value. Okay, I'm going to take these two values. Okay, b plus d the whole x square. I can write it as here, and here I can write it as a plus c the whole cube plus again here 3ax. X terms are cx cube plus dx cube dx square, right? Here bx square plus 3b. Okay, so b plus d the whole x square. Take this term, so you can find the value of d. So what it is? 4x square. So 4x square you can equate to the coefficients of x square same. So b plus d. So what is the value of b? B's value is already known, it is 1. So what is the value of d? D's value would be 3. because 4 is equal to 1 plus d. So d's value is 3. So you got the value of b and a, and now you have to equate with these terms. Now a and c is not given, so equate the terms with x. 3ax. 3a is equal to 6 and a's value is 2. See, you got the value of a, b and d, and now you have to get the value of c. For that, equate both these terms with x cube. So ax cube plus cx cube is equal to what? Is equal to minus 2x cube. So you know that a plus c would give you an answer minus 2. What was the value of c? A's value was 2. So c is equal to minus 2. So c is equal to minus 2 which is minus 4. Now you got the value of a as 2. What is the value of b? B's value is 1. And what is the value of c? C's value is minus 4. And what is the value of d? D's value is 3. So now you got the value for all coefficients, and you can just place all these coefficients and write your final answer. So I'm going to write my final answer. 2 by x plus b's value was 1. So 1 by x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square plus 3. So this is how you convert a quadratic factors into partial fraction. I hope this video is very much clear, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to reach me under my email ID jojoslearningclub@gmail.com. I'll be always there to help you out. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and now my next video will be on simple equations. See you over there. Bye bye.